Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning attention to anchors and materials. Use a durable shoelace, 2 short screws or small pins, and a washer or large button to stop slippage. First, pick an anchor location on the jamb roughly 4 to 8 inches above the handle. This places the improvised lock within ergonomic reach while reducing leverage. Once marked, drill pilot holes or tap pins gently into hollow doors to avoid splitting. Make sure the washer will act as a reliable stop, so the lace won't slip through when loaded. Next, you form the loop and secure it to the anchors. Thread the shoelace through the washer or button, then tie a compact double knot so the stopper won't pull through under tension. Wrap or tie each lace end around the screw or pin head and tighten so the knot sits flush to the jamb. Once done, leave roughly 6 to 10 inches of adjustable loop projecting toward the door. Make sure to position the loop so it catches the door edge snugly when closed, providing friction and resistance rather than a rigid stop. To finish, you engage and evaluate the improvised lock. Close the door, then loop the shoelace over the handle or tuck it under the strike plate so the loop tightens as the door seats. Once engaged, test by applying gradual force from both sides to confirm it holds. Make sure it gives slightly instead of being brittle. If it slips, shorten the loop, add a backup knot, or swap to thicker cord. Remember, this is a temporary, interior privacy solution. Do not rely on it for high security or on exterior doors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.